welcome back to today's live stream. Second half of the day, I did a little bit of my own work while I was, not streaming. So for the second half, I'm not gonna focus on the migration tool anymore. What I'm instead gonna do is make a commit to clean up what I've done so far, and then move on to importing all of these CSVs into one signal. And the reason for that is because I need to inspect each of these CSVs to see what they look like and how to convert it to what one signal expects. Now, I'm not sure if we've changed the way our importer works. I've gotten some hints that maybe we have. So this is probably going to be an exercise in figuring out what's new, how it works, all that kind of good stuff. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right quick. One thing that I'm thinking of is potentially not showing my desktop anymore. It makes it a little bit harder for me to, if I want to edit a video, like I could just key out black, whereas this right here, I can't do it. Anyway. All right, cool. Now we can close that and we can go on to one signal. Oops. All right, so yeah, it looks like I'm going to be adding a document for how to import CSVs into our stuff. Wait, is it under projects? Yeah, it is. So this is going to be importing CSVs. I'll say format for now. All right, so first things first is I got to go and check to make sure I have something with email. Unfortunately, I have all of these things and I can't delete them, so it makes my life a little bit harder. By a little bit, I really mean a lot of it. So it looks like I do have one app that has, some platforms. I really hope it's not email. Okay, that's fine. I don't care. Let's delete Okay, can I not delete this? All right, well then, wow. All right, so already was in here. So already starting off on, I need to do product feedback. My gosh. What am I documenting? I don't even know what I'm documenting right now. Oh, the CSV import. Certificate. I think that's how you spell it. And that's the Apple iOS certificate. That my expired. All right. All right. We'll just have this. Yeah. I don't know why I put that S there. Is this a verb mismatch? Yeah, it is. So here's what I want. Wait. I want to be able to delete this. All right, I wonder if this will, no, it's not gonna cycle through all of my issues, damn it. So I have an issue that talks about something very similar to this. I gotta find that now. Oh my gosh, that's not what I wanted to do. Just open up in a new tab. We'll have to do it this way, I guess. And then we can go to one signal, feedback. All right, so if we look here, one of these should be related to this deleting something. Let's just look for it. Delete. Unable to delete more than one delivery. Enter. Nope. User model. Delete. Nope. Is it really not here? What if I do orgs? Nope. So it turns out I don't have this issue in GitHub. Man, damn it. I'll have to create that soon too. Anyway, let's just ignore that for now and I'm gonna take a screenshot. So we'll capture this. Where's my mouse? Okay. Weird. Yo, what's up, Casual Economist and Kyle? How y'all doing? Oh my gosh. Let's go to the product channel. All right, cool. Sorry about that. I had to submit this whatever it is. You getting home? Wait, a recipe? What kind of recipe? Is it a recipe for danger? For something fun? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore this right now because honestly, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't need to fix it. I just want to delete it. Anyway, let's confirm that. Oh my gosh, this is set up with mail gun. So I gotta confirm that my email is indeed working, which may be easier, maybe harder than it seems. It may be harder than it seems. Like, real talk. All right, so I gotta open up my project that, oops, not this, cancel, close that, and we'll open up this right here. So this has all of the requests. What was this? I don't even know what this is about. Email, we'll close this for now. So I want to send an email to a segment, email subscribers. Let's see if I have any subscribers. I may have to delete everything. Oh my gosh, it's so many. It's too many. Oh wait, no, I have this William at one signal. That's okay. Yeah, I have a William at one signal. So I got to figure out if I am a part of a segment or something like that. Or maybe, you know what? I'll just send it to all users. Screw it. We'll send it to everyone. It should just be me. I can find Pox. Oh, literally email subscribers. So it should go to me. So let's select the correct app. This is one signal in Flutter, which I don't have, so we're going to create that. Here. Oh, wait a minute. I have a OS 101 email. Maybe, let me see if I can use that instead. No, I can't. Shit. All right, so apparently that's not even a thing. All right, well then, because this isn't a thing, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Or how about this? I'm gonna do even one better. I'm gonna call it one signal in Flutter. Or I'll just call it email, screw it. That's really the only reason why this exists. And I'll take this app ID. All right, and then I need to grab the API key. Pull this off to another screen right quick. All right, cool. Okay. Is this wrong? Should this be slash? It's not wrong, but okay, yeah, it's not wrong. Okay, so we go to 200. All included players are not subscribed. Email subscribers. Doing pickled brine chicken tonight. Interesting. Okay. I mean, I understand why you would do it because, well, when you say pickled, because like, Because pickling is a process. So are you talking about like dill cucumber pickles? Are you talking about like the pickles that we have everywhere else on earth? Like what do you mean? If you're talking about the dill stuff, then I think that would make sense, right? Because dill is a okay flavor for chicken-ish. Assuming you put garlic and maybe carrot, maybe peppers in your stuff. Maybe what, coriander? Well, no, I wouldn't do coriander. I would do, I don't know. That's probably all I would put in mine if I were doing that. And obviously salt. So you're really just making a brine. Okay. So cucumber pickle, right? Some of us are well traveled, bro. Like when you say pickles, like you go to a Korean restaurant, kimchi is pickles. No, just saying, just putting it out there. If you go to in the Nordic countries, they have pickled fish. It's disgusting. I hated it. Actually, if you're from there, you know it's not my taste. I'll just say that it's not for me. Gotta be careful. I do understand that people like very very flavor forward foods. I'll call it that. Let's call it that. Let's see, casual economist, you got thrown into an interview in 30 minutes, barely know what the job is about. How do you get thrown into an interview? I don't know, like that. You do have agency and control over your life, right? Like, how do you get thrown into an interview? I forget the name of the company. They are an oil and gas company. Literally, I can see their building from my unit here. And they offered me a job the same day that I interviewed. They offered it to me like 3 or 4 hours after I finished my final round interview. And they gave me until the end of that day to decide. And the end of that day was like EOD, like 5 o'clock. So I had about 2 or 3 hours to decide. And I was just, and they're like, oh, you have to make a decision today. And I was like, the fuck I do. And I didn't. So, yeah. And no, I didn't take the job. And no, I didn't have another job at the time. I was just like, I will not be like no, absolutely not. I'd rather be homeless. For real, like for real. And that's actually what I chose, because I didn't have money. I needed a job. I was just like, hell no. If they're willing to, like, because I looked at it as disrespectful. I'm like, if you're willing to be disrespectful on like the day that you should be on your best behavior, you're trying to sell me to join your company, and that's what you're willing to do, it's like, nah, no way in hell will I work for you. Like, and also it also like means that the people who are working there were likely in desperate situations. So the likelihood that I'm working with people who I want to work around goes to zero. Because like, I don't want to work with desperate people. It's disgusting. All right, let's see if I received any form of an email. We'll make this a little bit smaller. I know y'all don't see what I'm looking at, but we're gonna make this thing smaller. I see you, Kyle. So it's cucumber dill pickle juice. Spicy or butter pickles, or just regular, or is it sour? All right, so here we are. Actually, I have no idea who this email would be from. Now that I think about it. Dang it. I really don't even know who this email would be from, because I don't remember setting up email in this little, oh wait, hold on. What the hell am I looking at? Oh, integration. I'm dumb. Okay, I'm like, what? So we got to figure out how this is set up. But man, I can't. I feel like I've made feedback about this at one point. You know what? I'm going to put a timer, like a thing so that I know to come back to here. So this is email config configured email doesn't show configuration. I don't know, config settings or something like that. Go ahead and add that as a thing to the string. So we'll continue. So I shouldn't have to do this. I don't want to do this. So this is going to be OS Flutter at mailgun. Okay. All right. I don't even remember which mailgun account this is. I have 2, but I have access to 4, and I'm not about to check all 4. That's just too much effort. So we're going to hope that it's this first one here, and look at the sandbox. So this was sandbox 4B something 4E. So let's hope that this is for whatever I just said 4E. Are you going to add any other stuff, Kyle? And also, what kind of chicken is it? Is it a like one of the heirloom breed chickens, or is it one of the trash chickens that we have in the U.S. where they're like lacking flavor and they're water chilled, so they just take on like a bunch of water, so that when you cook it, it's just like, ugh, it's just nasty. Or you get one of those nice air chilled chickens. Because if you did, I would not advise to brine it, because it's going to take on a lot of water. It'll change the texture. All right, so yeah, it is this. It's this email account here. Now, I don't understand why I did this on the sandbox domain, but yeah, whatever. Let's see what's going on. So it seems like it didn't even attempt to do what I wanted. Instead, it's just saying all included players are not subscribed, which is fine. Okay, sure. I'm just checking to see if there's something different. We've changed our API, and I haven't updated my API project to address all of the different changes, because it's a lot of effort. Like, this is a lot of stuff to change. Man, I would like to just see curl. That would be better here. So we have our email, app ID, email subject, email body, and then include email token. So maybe we'll try this. Oops. Seriously though? All right, William, one signal. Okay. Let me go and make these changes right quick. While that thinks about what it's going to do, let's go ahead and get README stuff situated. So we're going to just delete all of these. Oops. And I'm going to mark these red. Or will it do that for me? Maybe it'll do it for me. Hopefully it'll just do that for me. Okay. Yo, what's up, Yanni? How you doing? Just chicken breasts from farm, not water, injected from the stuff. So you know what I'm talking about then. Yeah. Peppercorns, garlic, back in the morning, so going on 8 hours. Damn, you brining it for that long? That's a while. Are you gonna bake it, roast it, fry it? And what are you making? What side dishes are you making? Are you like me and you just make the meat and that's what you eat? Cause I'm the person, like my mom, she'll sometimes be like, I'll make some, but I don't make sides because like for what? It's a waste of time. I'm not gonna eat that shit. And I'm also not getting these emails. What the hell? It says that apparently I was supposed to have gotten an email and I don't see it. Edit these or make these changes maybe. Journey example. Okay, fine. We'll accept it. Maybe. Okay. Sure. It's just a title update. That's easy enough. Same diff. All right, fine. We'll merge that. I'll go away. All right, so I do get back an ID and then an external ID, and I get a 200. So let's see if this actually made it to Mailgun, their APIs somewhere. Did I close it? Like what's going on here? Why did I? Okay, I guess I did close it. Fuck, go away. I'm removing that song from my playlist. I tried to make sure I don't have words in any of my songs because it distracts me. I can't deal with words. Okay, so I'm going to assume that the reason why this is failing is two-pronged. Number one is I'm using the sandbox, but number two, actually no, yeah, it's not even coming to the, man, it's not even getting here. Excuse me. All right, let's see if we can find this in the dashboard. No recipients. Okay. Okay, sure. Ah, I see. Let's make this active. All right, so there's one user here, so I'm gonna go back. I forgot. And this is going to be whatever it was before. I've already forgotten what it was, but I think it was like subscribed users or segments or something like that. Included segments. That's right here. And this is just going to be this string here, which is all email subscribers, maybe. Or maybe it's email users. Yes, email users. I'll use that one. Okay, so it didn't fail on me. I'm gonna turn off this cookie because I don't want to store it, and I also don't want to send it. Well, I'm storing it. I'm just not sending it, so we're good. Oh, and I also need to see who is the sending domain, like who is this coming from? Because I don't know. So I think that would be if I click into here. No, not here. There's a way where you should be able to see your users. Is it SMTP credentials? OS Flutter. Okay. Nope, nothing. All right, this is not great. So there's two things that can be going on. It could be, number one, I have to like opt in, but I would need to log in into an app to do that, which I don't want to do. I just don't want to do that because I would have to make the app. Although it says that this should work. I am very confused because this says total number of recipients 1. However, up here, it says no recipients. This is ambiguous because it's not clear anymore. Is this the amount of recipients that it's supposed to be, or is it the amount of recipients who get it? I know that's ambiguous, which isn't great. I also think that we can do a better job with rendering this date. Most people don't speak UTC. Most people speak their local time. However, I think that we could do a hover where you hover over it, it'll show you the time in UTC. Oh, excuse me. Well, right. I mean, yeah. I don't consider rice really a side, but yeah, I suppose. Stuffing from a box and salad mix. Okay. Man, you don't got no bread, Kyle? All you need is some bread. You got some thyme, maybe some onion, some garlic, celery. Yeah, I would do celery. I would probably do a green bell pepper over carrot. What else could you do? Some chicken stock. Yeah, you put that in the oven. There's your stuffing. There's no need to be buying box stuffing. That's nasty. Or injera, but that's if you cook stew related food. Is injera? I don't know what that is. Is that like? I don't know what that is. But I imagine it's something that's not from the States. What's up, you guys? How you doing? Oh wait, what time is? Okay, I was about to be like, oh wait, am I supposed to be in a meeting right now? I didn't really know what time it is. I am going through issues with our email. My one lowly user that I have, it ain't working. I wonder if I have to put, there's a potential type on here. Let's see, type. Or target channel, maybe. Yeah, maybe it's that. Maybe I have to put that in there. So we'll say target channel. I just saw the thing where, oh, here we are, target channel. So yeah, let's try this. Let's see if adding that makes a difference. All right, we get, I don't know. We get another 200, I guess. Let's see what that does. What the hell does reset do? Not work, that's what it does. All right, well, I guess we're gonna go to the email team and ask why this isn't working. All right, cool. So I don't know what else to do. I just sent the thing. So I'm going to move on. I'm not going to be able to actually email any of the things, but I don't really care that much. What I'm instead going to do is focus on this import user stuff to make sure that I get these CSVs, like I was saying at the beginning of this, to make sure I get these CSVs in the right shape. I'm just going to ignore the fact that I can't email. It's not that important for me, for what I'm doing. Oh, it's, yeah, the Ethiopian, but okay. It's kind of sour, isn't it? It's the, I don't know what you make. It's like the flat on this side, it's kind of bluish brown looking. You talking about that? It's got holes in it, small holes, bubble holes, not like donut holes. All right, update users with external ID. All right. And then import email. So this is the one that we want. So we have a shape that we needed to have. It's going to have an email. There could be an external ID, whether or not they're subscribed, and then tag column. So let's take a look at this, whatever this is. We're going to open this in Excel. The true spreadsheet editor, no Google Docs. It does take a while to open. I will say that. But I've noticed. I'm curious. Wait a minute. What? Don't convert. I'm curious for those of you who have the M1 Max, or not Mac, but Max, not MAX, but MAC, plural Max. For those of you who have that, have y'all noticed that applications take longer to open now than they did 2 years ago? Or is it just me? One thing I have noticed is that applications take in like orders of magnitude longer to open than they did in 2008, for instance. I remember I was able to open Visual Studio, not this BS Visual Studio Code crap, but like actual Visual Studio on my Mac in a virtual machine in Parallels, and it was instant. Like you would do open and instant window pops up and you can do stuff. Or maybe, you know what, Windows could still be instant. I don't actually use Windows, so I don't know. But it feels like things have gotten slower over time, not faster, including on my iPhone. It seems like every year Apple releases a new iPhone, yet it's not faster. Or at least it doesn't feel faster. They always say, oh, here's the spec, is twice as fast, whatever BS. But then when I go to use it, it takes forever to start up. Like apps take forever to load because, you know, there's these splash screens and it's just like, oh my gosh, do I have to wait? I just feel like most things are getting slower, even though hardware is getting faster. All right, tags. Okay, their tags are different here. I don't think we want to include the address or phone number. What is member? Member rating. Honestly, I think, wait, what is LEID? All right, so it's going to be harder to write these instructions without being prescriptive. So I'm just going to be prescriptive. Let's go back to here and we'll see that we have email and then tags. Tags. So what I'm going to do is rename this. I'll save this as a copy, actually. We'll say tag dot. This is my own convention. I don't know if this is going to be something that we do in our product, but this will be good for now. And subscribe, this is going to be yes by default. External ID, they give us a EU ID, but I don't see the value in that. Yeah, so we'll try that. And I got a message earlier today saying how I think email imports changed, maybe. Email lists. Let's follow. All right, using CSV import and how they need to change the column names to properly import. E.g., email must be all lowercase, time zone must be, language must be in the language code. Well, yeah, but no. Okay. I don't like this format. And specify data tag using. All right, so we have email. We're not gonna have an external ID. We need subscribed. So all of these are just gonna be yes. Does it matter? Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter if it's lowercase or not. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna try this. I want to see if it's gonna work. Like if it's just gonna get upset at me. And I'm gonna save this as a new CSV somewhere else. This is this audience. This is what, MailChimp, I think. I think it's MailChimp. We need a help thing right here. We need, yeah, this, yeah, we need, let me mark this. All right, cool. So that should happen at some point. And I just got a message saying that somebody else was struggling with that too. This email not working. There. Y'all can see I get, I normally have a lot of things going on, so y'all can see. Okay, so they're using staging. I don't want to use staging. App ID includes segments, contents, email subject, email body name. Let's see what I have. So they're using the included segments. I don't have contents. I see email. Oh, I don't have an email subject. Okay. Oh no, I do. I'm tripping. I do. Email subject, email body. No email from name? Okay, interesting. I'll take that out. There is a name though, so let's just make this name. Let's just rename this a name. Included segments. I'm pretty sure that this is, yeah, included segments here. The content type should be, yeah, it's getting set for me. And accept shouldn't really matter because I don't even know if we care what you want to accept. All right, I'm gonna try this again, see what happens. I should get the same 200 that I've been getting, which tells me nothing. But after that, let's go and check and see if we have a new delivery. No, it doesn't look like it. Nope. Oh, okay. Oh, thank God. I'm like, wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are all fake emails. So none of them should work. Hopefully I didn't check to see if these have anything looking real. Oh shit. Okay. So these could be real emails. All right. I gotta be very careful now. I can't send this to just all subscribed because who knows if one of these emails, while I made it up, one of them could be real. And obviously I'm not trying to be sending people emails. All right, so I think how I'm going to describe this is basically what I've just done. It's going to be a little bit of manual work, and I'm going to have to recommend using Excel, like real talk. I don't know of any other tools other than maybe Google Docs. Let's see if we can do this in Google Docs. I'm pretty sure we can, but I need to just check. Is it Sheets, Google, or Docs? All right, so we're gonna go to open. Oh wait, no, not open. It'll be import. And then I don't understand why they don't just use the standard. Oh, upload. Maybe they do. Maybe they do. All right, look at that. Perfect. Replace spreadsheet. Yeah. Separator. Yeah. We'll say comma. So yeah, this is going to be part of my instructions. So instead of just saying automatic, I'll be like, yeah, just make sure you set like comma, convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas. I'm going to say no. Shit, I did the wrong one. Damn it. This isn't what I wanted. I'm going to import again. I wanted the other one. The one that I was working on earlier today, which is in my downloads. This one. Under list and members. Yep, we'll use comma. Don't do any conversions. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Yeah, so they'll be able to use this as well. So how I'm going to describe this is that you're going to do some manual labor. You only got to do it once or twice or 10 times. I don't know. But you can do up to 20 tags. We'll have to make sure that the email address is all lowercase email. Make sure we add a new column for subscribed. Make sure... I think that's it. Yeah, just make sure you don't have more than 20 columns that can be used as data tags. Then we would go through the things. All right. Oh, it's almost 4:10. It's the end of my day. So maybe I'll write the doc tomorrow because I need to get screenshots. Or maybe I'll make a video. I'm curious, those of you who are watching, would you prefer to see, and I'm not saying that you were actually going to use this, but like if you were looking at documentation, would you prefer to see just written docs with images? Or would you prefer to see written docs with no images? Because I'm not going to do both. I don't have that much time. No images, but there's a video that goes over what do you need to do. So I can make a video where it's like, here's me getting a CSV from Mailgun, MailChimp, and SendGrid. Here's me modifying that CSV using Excel or Google Sheets to get it into the format that's needed for import into OneSignal. And then here's me doing an actual import. One caveat to doing this using Excel and Google Sheets that I'm thinking of right now is what happens if the list doesn't have just 500 emails. In fact, let's see. I actually want to see what's the case here. We're going to import another one. And let's go to my downloads because I have another one that's like 10,000, I think. Or this could be 2,000, but there should be another one that's 10,000. Wait, what? How are all of these the same size? Except for this one. I'll take this one. Yeah, this is almost 10,000. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna describe using this, and then what I can do is kind of hand wave, talking about how you would do this if it were like 1,000,000 or 10 million. Although I don't think that you even be able to import it into one signal at that point, because we have a limit to how big the file could be. Go ahead and get my email off screen, since we are for sure not going to be receiving any emails. So I'm noticing that my computer is starting to stutter a little bit. I think it's time for that M3 Ultra. I need it. When is it coming out? I was thinking I was gonna wait until the M4 Ultra, but now I'm like, it would be kind of nice to be able to play City Skylines 2. I have City Skylines 2. I just can't play it. It doesn't work. I get 2 frames per second. On my M3 Max, the laptop that I had that I sent back, I was able to play it. I was getting 30 frames per second on the laptop. Granted, this was under Windows and VM, so I imagine that the M3 Ultra would give me the same, because I have more pixels to drive on this machine. Let's see. Are you able to send when creating something from the dashboard? Wait, I can send emails from the dashboard. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's just do test users. All right, let's see what happens. Yep, go away. Review and send. Fell. Ah, it's for test purposes. That's what I'm doing. All right, into Terry. No, doesn't work. All right. So we know why that's not working. which is fine. As I said earlier, but it's not really blocking me. But it's something that I needed to bring up. So let me, before I move on from that, let me go back and, wait, here we are. Throw in a link to this issue here. Copy link. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? This is the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. Did I not create that issue already? No, I didn't. Of course. There's a lot of issues that I haven't created. I need to get on my shit. I'm falling behind. This right here is unlabeled. My gosh. This is the API, and I found out that this is due to not having the right permission, so I need to make sure I add that context here as well. This is going to be around developer experience, and there is not really a documentation, but this would be an enhancement. Go find one of these threads where I talked about that. Here we are. This is the thread. Let me open it in the channel and get that link. Oh wait, did I already say that? I did, okay. Oh, I even, man, wow, look at that. Man, look at that art. You know, I'm gonna close that. I already did all that. I thought I was behind, but I'm not. I am still, but not as behind as I thought. So we'll close these. Cool. Wait a minute. If it'll appear once we pass our retry window. All right, so I have issues that I'm gonna have to create, which means that, yeah, it takes me a lot of time to create these issues because I normally like to do a reproduction. And I also like to give a link. Maybe this time I won't have to do a reproduction, but I will at least give a link to the stream. So I have to go back and look at this and find where it is. And I also have to go and look at our docs to see if there are other places where we need to go and update things. But yeah, it looks like I was able to import. Oh God, excuse me. Yeah, I was able to import the CSV without issue, and I have a path forward for how I'm going to document this. I don't think I'm going to make a video. No one said they wanted a video, so I'm not going to make one. Oh shit! Oh my god! Try to do that. Review your IAM permission. Wait, why am I? Okay, I'm not even in the right account. Let's go to OneSignal and open that. All right, so it seems like I'm not the only one having issues with Melgun's API. Yeah, it seems all right. I'm getting a message saying that sometimes they change the messages because they're freeform text. So we probably can't just, man. All right. This is why I'm happy to no longer have to deal with engineering problems. I'm like, that's an engineering problem. That's a concern for y'all now. I don't have to. I don't have to be concerned with engineering stuff anymore. Which is kind of, it's kind of nice. Sometimes it's not. When I'm like, I could fix a lot of the stuff myself. All right. Now, what else can we get into? Wait, what? I don't understand what they're. Wait, what? Using React wants to. I want to dirty this notification bell icon. What notification icon? Whoa. Wait, what? What was that? What just happened there? All right, let's see if this token is still, I don't know, the token may not be, let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Wait, is this the one? No, that's not it. wonder if I can't get system logs from the whatever that is. Somehow man, how do you get the output window? Let's see, output. Curious, does anyone else find this unhelpful? It's like it's showing me where it is in the menu. I really don't care where it is in the menu. The reason why I come here is that I want to do the thing without looking in the menu. That's really all I want to do. That doesn't show me what I want. I thought did I change the behavior? Let's see, starts. Show, nope. Show debugger, show inspectors. This is what I have to do when Apple refuses to give like names to things. I don't do well with pictures. I don't know what these things mean. So I had to just click them and see what happens and hope that it doesn't break shit. None of that. Go away. Man, all these things and half of them don't do shit. Oh, all right, look, we get something. All right, sure. We get something. It's not useful. Maybe I'll just click on all of these and see if I get something useful out of this. Yeah, this is giving me the actual assembler, which I don't care about right now. I only care about the output, which I don't know how to get. Oh, now it's failing to open shit. Okay. All right, yeah, I don't know how to, I have no idea how to open the output. I used to know how to do this. And by used to know how to do it, I mean, it would just open by itself, but it's not doing that anymore. So I have no idea how to see what's going on. Oh wait, is it view debugging? Is this it? No, of course not. It's not console, which is what I would expect it to be. Let's see reload console. Does that pull up anything? No, it doesn't. We'll restart Xcode and see if it gives me something different. Okay. The one thing I didn't click. The one thing I didn't click, that's what it was. Now, obviously I'm just dumb because, you know, Apple, obviously a right purple thing box in a square, that's obviously the thing. That's like, hey, this is how you get your console output. Yeah, I'm just an idiot. I'm pretty sure all of you could have figured that out within a few seconds. There we are. Cool. User has to nod activities for this target. Okay, so then that's not true. One signal not creating new user due to logging into the same user. Okay, so it knows who I am. All right. We'll enable push, allow it. Start live activity. Still, wait, nope. API one signal subscription. Okay, nope. Update request. Update subscription. All right, so it's still not wanting to do that. All right, let's go and check the target here. Oh God, excuse me. Actually, I don't see my activity attributes. Where are my activity attributes? Okay, I put them here. Okay. So we have the activity attributes. There is a new function that I have to add for, what is it? There's a new version of iOS that just came out. Is it 17.2? Okay, that was interesting. Yeah, I think there is a new thamajig. I may have to go because I don't like looking like I'm over here looking to the left because I have my work, the stuff that I can't share on my other screen, and there's a lot of conversations going on right now. So, oh man, my neck is already hurting by just looking to the left all this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this here. I won't be back later today, but I may be back tomorrow. That stream, I might have someone joining me, not as a video participant, but more as a just, I don't know, she may be joining, and we'll be going over like very introductory or basic level JavaScript server, HTTP server, whatever, that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, maybe tune in. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go. I will see y'all later. Peace.